value. So first t will substitute here as I just substituted in question number 10, then x, then y, and then dy dx. So what angles we have to take here in place of t? Because here t is minus 10 t. So t here we have to put some positive values, some angles let me take. So these angles let me take here. We take 0, pi by 2, pi by 4, pi by 2, 3 pi by, okay, like that. Let me take 0 here, pi by 4, pi by 2, then 3 pi by 2, so 3 pi by 4 here, pi by 2, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4 can be taken as, or before that should I take pi or negative values also? Positive values only we have to take. So it can be pi by 4. Okay, we will take here t 0, pi by 4, pi by 2 or 3 pi by 4 we have taken here. Then pi, there will be pi, then 5 pi by 4. Okay, so it will be then pi here, then 5 pi by 4, and 3 pi by 2, 7 pi by 4, and 2 pi finally. Up to 2 pi, let me find the values. After 7 pi by 4, 2 pi is there. So 3 pi by 2 and this. Different values of x, y and d by dx. Let me solve. So here it is minus 10 t. At 0, nothing, 0. I mean x is here. At 0 it is cos 0 is 1. A here. X is a positive. Cos 0 is positive value. Y is 0 because sine 0. If I put t 0, sine 0 is 0, so this is y 0. What is d by dx here? At 0 it is 0. For 0, sine 0 upon cos 0 is 1 undoubtedly, but sine 0 is 0, so it is again 0. No minus 0, only 0. 10 0 is 0. So d by dx, this value is 0, 0. Only x is a here. At t 0, y 0, d by dx is also. So slope is 0 here. At pi by 4, if I substitute, and what is pi by 4 is 1 upon root 3. Cos pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2. 1 upon root 2. And q, if I make that whole cube of sine cos t, that will be 1 upon root 2 whole cube. That means 2 root 2. It will be a upon 2 root 2. Positive value of x. And then y, in this case, y is also of the same type, a upon 2 root 2. Because sine pi by 4 is also 1 upon root 2. 1 upon root 2 whole cube is 2 root 2, and this is a upon 2 root 2. And here if I substitute, this is minus 1 because sine pi by 4 upon cos pi by 4, it is pi by 4 here. Is it negative value? I have take here negative value, I think. Sorry, positive I have taken. No problem. So t we have taken from 0 started to pi and to 2 pi. Positive value we have taken, no problem. What it will be? So it is minus 1 only. Because 10 pi 4 is 1. It is minus 20. Minus 1 here. It is minus 1. Because 10 pi by 4 is minus 1. Okay, so this is minus 1 here. Alright, so a pi by 2. Now at pi by 2, let me take it is 0. First x is 0 here. Then it is sine pi by 2 is 1, so it is a only positive because a q 1 q is also 1. Then d by dx is this. So at pi by 2, it is sine pi by 2 upon cos pi by 2 is 0, so it is infinity. It is minus infinity here. Okay, so 10 pi by 2 is minus infinity. And at 3 pi by 4, negative value, sorry, x is minus here, minus a upon 2 root 2. It is nothing but minus a upon 2 root 2 cos this value. And y is also Sine is positive here. It will also be positive. It is a upon 2 root 2. A upon 2 root 2. Simple question. We did by the first method, Cartesian method, by elimination of t. But in this case, we are doing this with the help of the second method. Okay, so this is just this here we have taken because sine is positive in second quadrant. So this angle is positive here. We have taken. Then tan. Okay, but this is negative. Tan negative. So tan minus 3 by minus 3 pi by 4, 135 degree. That means what is that? So sin pi by 4 upon cos pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 is what is the value of 45 degree minus 1. Sorry, plus 1. That will be minus 1. Because tan is negative in second quadrant. It will be positive 1. So this is plus 1 here. Okay, so tan is positive for 3 pi by 4. Yet tan is positive here. At minus infinity we have taken, so it is plus 1 here. No problem. At pi, so the value at pi. So at pi also we can solve the values. What is the finally solution? So this question at pi, here cos pi is minus 1 is negative, so it's minus a here. And sin pi is 0, so it is 0, nothing else. Now here it is tan pi, so it is 0 again. Because sin pi upon cos pi, sin pi is 0, so 0 upon something 0. So it is minus 0 means 0, positive 0. Then similarly these values can also be calculated. Now let me draw the curve here. So upon these points, from this curve, because this is asteroid, we draw that figure, that asteroid figure. So what is that asteroid figure here? So from that, when these points can be noted down, these values x and y coordinates, and then we can plot them. The equation will be of this kind. At this equation, these x-axis, the curve is meeting at a0, minus a0, and here at y also 0 minus a, y-axis at 0 and a positive. So this is of this kind. Let me take this point. This is asteroid type of, this is asteroid type of a closed figure, no asymptotes here. Okay, so this we did, I think, in question number fourth one. In fourth question, the similar kind of fourth question as we did here. There is no asymptote here because at these points, this is the point we have done. This is 11th question we have done. Minus a0, 0 points at t equal to 0. So here at tangent value is 0 here. Tangent is 0. Here it was pi by 2 minus phi here. Okay, and this is 2 pi also we can write here. And this is 3 pi by 2 positive value at t equal to. Okay, so 3 pi by 2 and all these points. So this is how we can draw the same type of figure. This we did in the question number 4, you can see there. Okay, so but the shape will be the same. If we draw, plot those points which we calculated here. Okay, or we can calculate those points. So this is the question number 11, known as asteroid. The shape is, I think this geometrical figure is some different. Here the same shape will be there. Point is a0, 0, minus a0, 0a and 0 minus a. So these 4 points are joined and there is no asymptotes here, no asymptote. No asymptotes in this case. Okay, so this kind of figure, this is 11th question we have done. Okay, now I have to do the next question again. This is what we call, we have taken question number up to 11. 12th question onwards, I'll take next time. Okay, then see you. Let's now see here. See you in the next after 5 minutes break.